Go.
Hi vlog, it's a little bit raining, but we're going to a home the bit when it stops raining. We can go outside, but I cannot wait that you here. But bye bye vlog.
Yeah, we're here at downtown. So we're supposed to go out. We went out for a bit, this couple of stores, but then it was raining, so we didn't have the chance to go much. See, it's a bit gloomy outside, it's a bit rainy. It's not that hard, but it's fine. So not many people already.
Hi, Daddy, say hi to the vlog. Daddy, say hi
So
to
we're
the
gonna
vlog.
we're gonna go home to the hotel pretty soon. We're just gonna drop by at Safeway to buy something.
Yeah.
So hope to see you later. So we're gonna show you our hotel. It was very nice. So I'll let you see it. And then we're gonna make a review. Okay? See ya. Bye bye. Say bye vlog.
Bye.